Hey people, today let's make a tasty snack bhel makhana. Firstly, let's take 100 to 150 grams makhana and roast it for 5 minutes in low to medium flame until it gets crispy. Once done, transfer it into a bowl. Pour some oil into a pan and add 1.5 tablespoon of chili powder, pinch of turmeric and give it a mix. Add salt as per taste. Now add roasted makhana to it and give it a good mix. Now transfer it into a bowl. Add some tomatoes, onion, 1 tablespoon of chili powder and salt as per needed. Now give it a good mix. Once done, transfer it into a plate. Tasty bhel makhana is ready to eat. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest videos and don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.